the stage, Tuptim is closely near to Anna. She's like saying like, so this is how Western handle their fan. This is how they want she's saying like, okay, so Anna is doing that. But then Tuptim is going to show to Anna how to use the fan in Asia. So she's like, your fan is already ready. So she's like observing like, okay, so you're at rest. This is at rest. So how we're going to handle the fan? You have to first stretch your hand like that, and the palm of your hand is facing you. And then the front of the fan is facing you. Same thing with the left hand. So it's like this. How you're going to do the rest needs to be like this. Alright, I'm going to do it again. This is the palm of your hand, and this is the front of the fan, and it's going to be in front of you. Same thing with the left hand. How are you going to say, how are you going to do the rest? Like this. Like this. Alright, let's do it again. 1, 2. So now Tuptim is observing Anna. So she's observing, she's getting near. And there is a cue there, and I'm going to later, what is the cue that you have to be on your rest so that you will be prepared on the, okay, so Anna is here.